Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce Now error code 0x4a8c3008. The error reads, "There was a problem logging in, try again." As per our research, the error comes when users select a game to play on GeForce Now. But instead of launching the game, the error appears and prevents login. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a temporary login issue. It may be related to the network connection or any server-side outage. Now let's talk about the possible fixes for this error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. Simply turn off your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes and then restart both. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to status.geforcenow.com and check if the GeForce Now servers are down. If there is any outage, then you have to wait till it gets resolved. If the error still persists, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected to an alternate network, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try launching any other game on GeForce Now and check if the same error appears with other games too. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, then it may be a temporary server-side issue. In that case, we suggest waiting for some time and then trying again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.